Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got another awesome bulk case. We're gonna see what's in it. It's got a ton of stuff. All right, Hooked on Pickin fans. I have already opened one of these bulk cases, and if you're a patron, you've already seen what's inside. So if you want to become a patron, go ahead and check that out in the link in the description below. But for this box, I'm gonna give you the specs. This is a Bulq.com case. Different from a pallet. Uninspected returns is the condition, and it's exactly what it sounds like, totally uninspected. So I'll get stuff that's new looking and then stuff that's broken. So we'll see as I pull each item out. It retails at $2,559. It has 284 items in it, which makes it $1.08 per item based off the price that I paid, which was $278 for this case. Every one of Bulq.com's cases costs $30 flat rate to ship, which makes me a total of $308, and I took that $308, divided it by the $284, got my $1.08. So let's see, is everything in this box worth more than $1.08? I was super excited about the last case that I opened, which my patrons already saw. That's huge profit value. Let's see if I have the same out of this box. And if you want, I will tag that video at the end of this one, just so that you get to see the awesome profit numbers. At the end of this video, I'm having trouble getting this open. At the end of this video, I am actually going to give you actual numbers of where I expect to send most things, how much I expect to make, and the profit margin. So stay tuned to the end and I'll be able to show you all of that. I'll discuss what's broken, what's not good. Okay, so oh, I didn't put on there that this is a women's apparel kids box. So that's one thing I forgot about mentioning. So this I knew was a women's apparel and kids clothes. So let's go ahead and just start pulling stuff out and we'll see where we're at with condition. All right, so I've got just regular panties. These are one fur panties. They each have tags on it, so these are kind of like space themed. Believe it or not, people buy those things. And then I've got lightweight Champion athletic gear still in the packaging. This is a size of 6 low-rise briefs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's only 5 in there. So sometimes I'll do a bundle on Poshmark with those. And so I'm gonna set this to the side because I know it's not a complete one. The underwire bra, these are selling great for me. Exhilaration brand seems to be one I can list on Poshmark, but not as much on Amazon. But I'll tell you if I think I can do it. Here's another one that's real fancy. That's gonna go good for me. Still brand new with tags on. This same thing too. Here's a sports bra one. That's the front. I actually already have this one listed on Poshmark, so I'm just gonna add to my listing the variation of what size that is. And that's in exhilaration. You can tell it was about $3 on clearance, but I'm definitely gonna make more than that. Here's another pair of panties. Here's a pack of panties. This says 9 boy shorts, clearly not 9 in there. So a lot of the panties, I'll just group them together in what size they are and style, and then I make a big lot myself. Here's another bra. Sports bra style. Here's another padded exhilaration one, trying to keep them together, that way it's easy organization at the end. Here's another sports bra. I'm gonna start picking up the pace a little just so we're not talking forever. These almost look like they say amber, ombre, I don't know. Okay, I don't know what it says. Look, okay, let's get up and close. Tell me what it says. AM something RE, I think. I
believe that's dream.
Is it?
DREAM.
You're right. I was starting right here with the word and not right there. It's all right. I'm having a special moment. I'm having a special moment. All right. Bless my heart. Bless my heart. All right. Here's my dream panties that I can't read.
I'm not sure what a dream panty is.
All right. Dream panties. All right. That's a fun undergarment. Got some more lots of panties, which explains why there's 284 in here. Here's a pack. Looks like this one's actually, yeah, 4 boxer briefs. This one's actually new. So that one will be one. Hanes, I usually can sell on Amazon, so we're gonna make sure it's in perfect condition. Here's some other fun ones. These ones take great pictures on Poshmark because of all the details on them. Star Wars, kind of boxer short briefs. Here's a Champion heavyweight stretch pants. Here's another one, just like that. Let's see, we've got Some more panties. Put them on top of the dream panties. Tank tops. Let's see. Here's some more bras. Matches these ones here. More. Now these are just one at a time panties. They're not sets because they have designs to them. Oh, here's like the orangey color, red, orange of the same black bra there. Here's another black bra. Some purple underwear. Here's another one of these. More underwear. This is a backless, strapless, lifted up plunge bra piece.
I believe those go on Amazon.
Yeah, those do. Now this is not a full, well, let me see. Size 8 says it's a pack of 9 and there's only 6 in there. So we're gonna try to match the sizes with another set of partial and then see what we can do. It will not go on Amazon, it'll go on Poshmark. Some more panties. I'm just gonna make my fancy panties in one pile. Here's another sports bra. Fancy panties. Fancy, fancy, fancy. That is the tiniest little thong I've ever seen in my life. All right, and I am not talking about sandals. Another thong, regular underwear, stripy underwear, another cotton thong, more underwear.
Do they still have the tags on?
Yes, all of these, see, still have the tags with the barcode.
Perfect.
These are like digital lips. All right, here's a teal bra, just like those white ones I've been pulling out. Here's another bra, an unpadded underwire. More underwear, underwear, underwear. There's another bra. I think it's the same as this one. It is, just a different size. I think I've already got those on Poshmark, so I'll just add it to my listing. It's gonna make it listing a lot easier because I've got some similarities to a box I've already opened. There's another one of those red ones. Some more underwear. Oh, this is loud. All right, here is, okay, let me show you uninspected returns. I'm not sure what's on there, but it looks like something spilled on it, probably in the warehouse or something. But everything's still in this package, but I'll try to wipe it off, but clearly it's not gonna be one that I send to Amazon. So I'm gonna set that to the side because I don't wanna, whatever's on it, I don't want to get on anything else. This one, the package has been open, so even though it's a Hanes, it's probably not gonna go to Amazon, but I'll probably list it on Poshmark just because everything is still brand new. Some more panties. Here's a set. Now this one is good. This one would be a possible Amazon worthy one. It's got the barcode and it's a brand that probably I'll find on Amazon. So Champion brand. Some more panties. Lots of these. Okay, here's some more bras here. Sports bra or panties.
Does it just look like it's the Exhilaration brand?
I've seen Exhilaration in Champion so far. I know in my other one I had gotten Jockey and I had gotten Gilligan and O'Malley, I think. I'm probably saying that wrong, but here's some more of those base layer shirts. But yeah, I don't see, and Hanes. I'm definitely seeing Hanes. 3 camis, there's only 2 in there. So uninspected returns is exactly what it sounds like. Here's another one. This one looks like everything is in there. It's just the box is all beat up. So I'll probably still sell those, not on Amazon, but somebody is obsessed with tape. What is your deal? Stop doing this. It's not gonna come apart. All right. Sorry. Just had to be. That was a Heather rant. So, oh, we have one of these. It's a fancy bra. Here's another one just like it. All right, another bra, padded under wire. Good night. I'm gonna be digging these. Okay, I've got a lot of these ones. Well, this one's missing it, but I've got 3 that are totally complete of those kinds. So that'll be nice if I can send those to Amazon. I'm hoping that I'm gonna be able to send about 60 items into Amazon, but I will look at the end and see how many we're gonna send to Amazon and give you kind of a rough estimate of how many. And sometimes that changes after we get started, because we'll find a condition issue as we look closely at everything. And so if there's, if we say 55 things are going to Amazon, it may only be 50 because there's a condition issue on something. And so just be aware of that. We usually try to be very conservative with our numbers, but some of these are going to take great pictures on Poshmark because of the extra details on them. So these are all Exhilaration brands. Exhilaration brand, I think, is kind of the low-end brand for Target. Now, see, this one's going to sell well just simply because of the size. I can tell by pulling it out. This is an extra large sports bra. So that one's going to sell well just because of the size. Anything extra large or up sells really well. These are all underwear I'm pulling out. Here's another sports bra, just like the one I pulled out. So that's gonna make an easy listing. So I can just combine it. This one's also this is a D size cup, 36D. Anything that's size D or up usually sells really well for me. Another one of those. I'm finding a lot of those. I really hope those go on Amazon. I will scan it while we're on this video and let you know. Here's some more underwear. They're clearly not put back in the package well, so that'll be a Poshmark sale as I bundle. These are kind of velvety bras. So here's a half a pack of Minnie Mouse underwear for little girls. Some more panties. Good night. I'm not even halfway into this box. I'm gonna be digging stuff out forever. Here's another pack of these, as well as a pair of panties. I don't think I've pulled a bra that looks like that yet. This is a halter one. So those of you who don't know exactly what a halter bra is, it just goes up around the neck. So I do have that one listed on Poshmark already. These are much smaller bras. So these are more kind of training bra push-up sizes. So these are 32 AA, which is smaller than a typical A. So I didn't even know they made a AA, but they do. And so these are smaller in sizes. The last box I opened had a lot of plus sizes. So they were D, triple D, F, and those go really well. So just when you're looking on the manifest, be aware of that. But the price is the reason I bought this. $1.08 per item was the biggie on why I even purchased this one. So more bras, trying to keep all those together, make sorting better. A half open pack of underwear. Usually the underwear I'm not able to resell because of this reason and unexpected returns. And that's just something I'm learning, because you don't usually buy apparel from Bulq, but I do now that I sell on Poshmark, and I'm learning that if there's any kind of panty, like packs of panties and underwear, generally there's one or two missing, or there's some sort of an issue with the condition of the box. So, I just count those. I think from here on out, I'm gonna count those as a loss and not even put them in my numbers, simply because I know I'm probably gonna have condition issues. These have dragons on them, teal dragons. So, more panties, some stripy clown looking panties. Here you go. So if you want some fancy looking panties, come to my Poshmark store, because I'll have just about every style you can imagine. So stripy ones. Oh, here's another sports bra. Another bra. Now this set's good. That's a good pack. It says 4 pair. I don't know if there's 4 in there or if there's only 3. I'll have to count it. It does say 4 pair, right? 4 comfortable. So we'll look and make sure that there's 4 in there. right, we're at the tail end. So we got panties and panties and panties and a stack of underwear, bras, regular bras, and lots of packs of halfway filled underwear. So this is a Bulq.com case, uninspected returns of women's and kids' clothes. Mostly, obviously, you saw women's undergarments, which sell very, very well. Retails at $2,500, 284 items. I paid total of $308. So let's go ahead and break it down. I'm going to tell you exactly how much is going to go to Amazon, how much I think I'm going to put on Poshmark, how long I think it'll take, and what my profit's going to be. All right, so we have added everything up. The big thing that I want you to recognize about this particular Bulq case is that the majority of these items are exhilaration. There are a couple, like this one is Gilligan and O'Malley, and that may go on Amazon, and some of the Hanes may go on Amazon, but the majority of the Gilligan and O'Malley and exhilaration go on Poshmark. Quite a few of these I already have on Poshmark. I'd say maybe 15 different ones that I saw that I've already got listed, but let me give you the specs of where I think everything's gonna go. Amazon, I believe about 20 of these items are gonna go on to Amazon. Not near as many as my last case, but hey, anything I can send to Amazon, I do. For a total of about $105. Poshmark, 250 items are going to go to Poshmark. I would say about 14 of them are in damaged condition. That number may change depending on whether or not I decide to bundle some of these underwears and put them on Poshmark, or if I go through some of the bras and find out there's picks or tears or broken parts. So, but roughly I'd say about 14 are already damaged. So Poshmark, 250 for a total of about $2 an item, simply because, and it's lower because it's exhilaration brand, it's the low-end Target brand. And so I'm not gonna make as much, but also because these are a lot of individual panties. And the original retail was only $5 to begin with, so I think if I can get $2 after Poshmark fees, I'm doing good. 500 bucks for a total of $605. I take away my $308 that I paid for it, I'm at $297 of actual profit after I pay myself back. I think this is gonna roughly take about 4 hours worth of work. Some of those hours are going to be spent sharing, yes, but 4 hours total to get everything listed and then do some extra sharing, which actually averages out to $74 an hour. So yes, it's a lot of work to do this many items, but I don't know about you, but I like the number of $74 an hour. And so I'm going to be able to get this all listed within 4 hours, and it's going to be on my Poshmark store. If you're interested in any of this, go ahead and check out my Poshmark store. But I got to get to work, and hopefully it's been helpful to see what's in a women's and kids box that has clothing and apparel. And are you willing to put in this much work to make $74 an hour? And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.